Siyabonga ekhaya. Asiyeni ke Durban kuti Nedbank Cup Pirates Chiefs sibona ukuthi uwandile Duba, does he deserve to stay on the field or not na? Asiyeni ke siyobona lento siyibiza ukuthi violent conduct. Right, violent conduct in a serious foul play is when a player uses excessive force or brutality against an opponent when not challenging for the ball. This is violent conduct. Here is not challenging for the ball because the player, the assistant referee Khara Mukwena has raised the flag to stop play. Whistle has been blown. Khara there making sure that he acts like an officer and a referee there ensuring that Wandile Duba does not get, the emotions out of him. But let's see what he has done there. You can see that the whistle has been blown, but this is serious foul play. If the game is in play, it's endangering the safety of an opponent. And then if the ball is out of play, it is violent conduct. Because now you are now doing what we call but what did the referee saw? The referee did not see that. Let's show you what the referee saw for him to give the yellow card. He saw this. This is showing lack of respect for the game. So when you show lack of respect for the game, it's a yellow card with that behavior. So now he saw this, but we'll show you that what the referee did not see, and then the correct sanction for Duba is this. Let's show it to you. Let's show it to you. Let's show it to you. This is violent conduct. The referee did not see this. Now, but no, man. Unfortunately, it was incorrect decision. Let's go to the next one. We see Miguel there.
So hold on. So
yes,
that was incorrect in offering the yellow. It should have been a straight red for that stomping.
For this, yes, for the stamping should have been a straight red.
Okay.
Maybe for the yellow as well, he can even give because he's allowed. Because I mean, he's committed an offense that warrant the yellow. But let's go to Miguel. Miguel, we are bump. Right, this is what we call SPA, stopping a promising attack. Coaches encourage this, but we don't encourage this. This is what we call taking one for the team, where you hold an opponent. When you hold an opponent, flag goes up. People are expecting a red at home. But let's show you why yellow card was given. We'll show you why yellow card was given. We'll quickly go back and show you that there is what we call cover there. You can see there's Nkwinika there. So Nkwinika there ensure that the four consideration for Dogso, which is distance to goal, direction of play, and the number and location of defenders, they are not successfully completed. Hence, he gave a yellow card for SPA, which is stopping a promising attack. So yellow card, correct decision, because he stopped a promising attack, even though it looks very bad and ugly. But then football says yellow card for SPA. This is called taking one for the team, not taking one for yourself.
Yes.
Right, let's go to the next one. The next one is what we call, there's a penalty appeal for Mufking. Referees have been instructed, there's a touch and a pull. So when there's a touch, they say, a touch is not a pulling or it's not holding, and the holding must have an impact. Let's go for it, and you see that there is contact. Yes, we can agree, but referees have been instructed when a touch is like this and when contact is like this, they must not give. This is the instruction from FIFA. The same applies to hand on the face. It's not in the book, but they've been instructed any hand on the face. So the same applies here. There is contact. They are saying it's not enough to make the player fall. So this is the instruction from FIFA. So mofunu agua ungapalela if up, then we change again. Then the last one, we saw a penalty there. There's what we call tripping an opponent. When tripping an opponent happens inside the field of play, a direct free kick will be awarded. When it happened inside the penalty area, a penalty will be awarded. Some say we did not see the contact. The player tripped himself. Nah, contact again. Nah. So this is the contact. This is what the referee saw. That's why he awarded a penalty for tripping an opponent. So correct this in by Masikole Bambisa.
Dr. Zadi.